Hello YouTube, and welcome to our 84th Unity 3D tutorial. And in this tutorial we're going to clean our main level up a little bit, make it so it's not got so many errors and it looks nicer. And then the next tutorial we're going to play about with some animation. So firstly I want to fix, well, this pool here because it's deep down and it doesn't really need to be deep down. So all I'm going to do is go to the side view and just scale it down to about 5, because in that way we can move it up and then we can get rid of some trees in the middle of it with the terrain. So we really need to clean this scene up because it is a bit messy. But so if we hide the water just for now, we can go inside the floor and get rid of the trees here, because there are too many trees in this pool and it shouldn't be. So that's that done. So it looks a bit nicer. You can't really tell, but it does. Next I want to fix some of these errors. So if we look at the errors, the reference script is missing. So if we click miss script, we have something there. So I'm just going to remove that by clicking the cog and remove. You can't see, but I did. 0 is for the weather, so we can, because it's printing the weather what we have. And again I forgot where I put it, but if we double click it should open it up. There we go. So wherever it says print, which is here, I'm just going to get rid to make it cleaner, because we don't need it to print, we know it works. Transforming GUI is not being assigned, so we need to edit that script because we don't have him no more. So instead of saying can, we'll say char for character, and anywhere else it says can, we're going to replace to char. So apparently, oh, I spelled it wrong, that's why. Replace all. So we've no longer got him on, but we still haven't assigned him. So we're going to have to make him find himself. So in here we'll type function start, and then we'll type where is it? I've completely lost what there. Char equals game object dot find misc main char. I believe that's what it was called, hopefully. So it'll find it in there. However, the wolf and the arachnid can automatically be assigned. So where does it assign the transforming GUI? There. So all this is done. Now it apparently doesn't find shall con. So con's fine. Ice ball bullet, which is the player fire, it says there. So we can find that, and ice ball bullet we've not got it assigned. So if we go to our prefabs, we can assign it. Weapons, ice ball. Boom. Sword in hand, we don't have a sword in hand because we had to get rid of that, so we can just leave that for now. So that should work, and all these are just warnings, so we don't need to worry about that. The next thing I want to fix is these cars, because when we start it the cars fall down, so we need to make sure, oh pardon me, I got hiccups then. We need to make sure they've all got some sort of rigid body on them to stop them falling through the floor. See, they all have, but yet they still fall through the floor. Let's try it again. See, they all fall through the floor. So we go to our move tool, drag them up a little bit, see if it helps. No, they all still fall. So let's try disabling character controller and the animation instead of the character controller. See if it works better now. There we go, we've now got floating cars. So all we needed to do was disable the rigid body and bring it down. Now let's go and test, see if we can go in. We still need to fix the grey rain, but we'll do that another time. Be a great chance to test our Hadouken if we can collect it. 2. Oh dear. Well, we're spawning the wrong type of thing, so we obviously assigned the wrong, what do you call it? I can't remember. Prefab, yes, we've assigned the wrong prefab. Ice ball prefab, ice ball bullet, that's what we need, this one. So character, ice ball, find player fire, ice ball bullet. And that falcon punch we will have to get rid of eventually because that is copyright. Well, that works. Now let's get this. There we go, so that works. Let's try going on a car. Well, our character just continues falling, it doesn't disable it, which is not good. We have a null reference exception, so we go to number 40. So whenever it's null reference exception, it basically means it can't find what you're specifying. So if we go to 40, game object.find shell can't. Well, no wonder that's not active, we don't have it. So we're going to put main char. Main char, main char. So let's try again. But we don't have a main char either. So instead we'll type if GameObject.mainChar what we typed in does not equal null. So if it finds it, then GameObject.findMainChar.setActive equals true. So put that here. So basically if it does find it, then it can play with it, else don't. Let's try it again. So now it shouldn't care whether it is there or not. What we're going to do soon is add some background music to our game because that'll make it look better. So it's not sticking our character in it, but that's for a different tutorial because that'll take a while to reprogram. Next thing, I want to just evenly spread out these a little bit, just to make the game look a little bit better, because with all the items there, we know it works, but just give it a bit of spread, just make it a little bit, so you have to travel a little bit. They're not going to obviously say that when we release the game, but for testing purposes, we need a bit more room. So NPCs, civilian village farmer, and vehicles, that's what we need. So I can move these back a bit. Yeah. We do need to make our game look better, but at the moment it's a bit difficult. So what I'm going to do is grab this building here, and I'm going to rotate it in its centre, which it doesn't like. It really doesn't like this. This is lagging badly. But I just want this door here. I don't want to add a component. Where's our game thing? So that'll do. Because now we can put something in front of this door here and make it so you can enter a new interior. So just like we did up there, we can add it. We'll add some more scrolls one day. And I think that's it for this tutorial. We've only done basic stuff for now, but next tutorial we'll be doing some animations for when characters die. Actually no, there was something I wanted to do. I want to add these characters' models back, that's it. So bit, body and head have gone, so we can get rid of them. And what we can do is we go to models, heroes, male. So add a male in, drag him up. Yeah, that'll do. That there, and there. Tiniest bit back. Perfect. So now we'll obviously take his arms down because it looks full. So civilian 01 is what he was called. So if we go to bit, pelvis, spine, spine, neck, arms, we can grab the arm and rotate. Grab the arm and rotate. Perfect. We have our first civilian, but we need to give him his actual skin because the civilian isn't skin like that. So we've done this many times before. Civilian 01, that's a female. Civilian 01, civilian 01, civilian skin, and left eye, right eye, and civilian 02. Perfect, so he's done. Who else do we have? We need to look at NPCs. So farmer is the blank one. So as long as we name it farmer, we should be okay. Let's do the farmer here. Oh dear. Excuse me for a moment, my start bar's messing up. There we go. That shouldn't have happened. There we go. So figure male, we'll drag it up. Paste him about there, that'll do. And we'll call him farmer. Stick him in NPCs. Play with his arms because that's what we do. Perfect. Now we just stick skin in and then the farmers should be done. So close the farmer, body, and farmer left eye, farmer right eye, skin, and I believe it's number 2. I guess not. Oh, it is number 2. So this farmer's a bit weird then. And very confusing. There we go, we have a farmer. Messed up farmer. But farmer no matter the less. Now a surgeon, I think we should stick a female. In fact, we'll just keep the surgeon as it is for now, and then what we'll do is stick a female extra in while we're doing it. Back. What's that look like? Perfect. So now we rotate his arms. Cancel. We really need to find a good map generator so we can just generate a quick map because I'm not very good at making maps. So that'll do. Drag him into the surgeon, and now we'll just make a quick female one. So female. Rotate her face in the character, drag her up, well she's already textured as well, so that's really good. So arms again, we'll make prefabs of this one day, not now, but it'll make it easier if we do. Perfect. Even though our arms facing forward. There we go. So here we'll rename it to civilian 01 dash female. Place her in here. Perfect. So we now have new characters implemented. Obviously we need to find a way to make our character appear, but yeah. In a couple of tutorials we'll also be doing waypoints, so we'll make these characters move around a little bit, put our interaction into the game. That's all I want to do. Next tutorials are some animations, and thank you for watching. Please join my Facebook group so I get daily updates, and see you next time.